How to buy crypto agent RAM token. See, this token came under the symbol of CAT, C-A-T. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money with some crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created 9 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity unlocked by 100%. That's my investment in the safe place. This token also trends in number 24 in this section. To be able to buy this token, it's simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund to manage for that. Click here on swap and make sure that you have no swap on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and hit save how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token. As you can see, after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and you can switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token. So this is how to buy a CAT token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.